Hi friends, welcome to Tutor's Funny channel. Today I am going to teach how to make the simple web design using Laravel 8. Now here this is simple design I have made. Here this one I have get it from the online. So here this one should be the, I just want to the W3 school. This is a sample web templates are there. Here very simple web design. I just copy and adjust that, right? That's a very simple one. I just go to the try yourself and copy this code, the simple code for the teaching purpose. I just copy this one and I have put it here and I have made some changes. Very simple one I have made it, right? So here this is a simple website, right? So when this is the home page, when the page when you run the page, it is coming as a home page here. If you click about us, it goes to the about us, right? I didn't write anything else here. I made the simple row of about us. About us. Right. Now let's refresh it. Right. Now if you go here, it is a contact us, right? I didn't do anything else. I just put the link how to travel the website, right? Very simple, right? If you learn the how the controller works and how the route works and how the view works, this only if you learn, it is you easily you have to catch up the Laravel. This is very important stuff, how to work with the view, controller and route, right? Very simple. I will explain step by step how to do this website. So first what I did here is, first I am going to go to the, I have used VS editor. This is a VS editor I have used, VS editor, Visual Code, right? If you want to download, you just go to the Google and type VS Code. You will be able to download this one, VS Code, Visual Code, right? You have to download it, install your machine. It is very simple stuff to make the web app, right, in Laravel. Now what I am going to do is, first step what I am going to do is here, I am going to go to command prompt. I just install this one, right? Command prompt, cmd. Now here, first I am going to go to F drive. Like whatever drive you need, you can put it here. So I go to the F drive, F, right? After that I am going to make the folder. Easily you can make the folder. You have to use this command mkdir. This is the make directory, right? Make directory. I am going to use it LMS code. This is the LMS, right? So press enter key, LMS. This one should be our folder, cd LMS, right? Here inside this folder, in this folder I am going to create the project, right? So what I am going to do is here, how to install this, how to get it this one. So let's go to the let's open the VS Code, go to the file, open the folder. My folder reside on F. What's the folder name? Today date I am going to get it this one, LMS. It's there. Click on this one, select open folder, right, it is there. Very simple, it's there. Now what I am going to do is here, this is your folder, right? Inside the folder I am going to install the Laravel. So how to install is, go to the terminal of this VS Code, new terminal. Here it is reside on the here F LMS, right? Now here you can install very simple stuff. You have to follow this one, you can install it. Very simple. Composer, create, project. This is Laravel 8, right? Laravel. This is the name of your project, right? Laravel, this is the name of the project, right? LMS school I have given. You can give whatever name of the project. Don't change this one, it won't work. Only change the project name you have to give here, right? So Control C to copy this command. You have to paste it here, right? Right. Now let's press enter key. Now it takes some time to create your project. It takes some time to create your project. Now here Laravel installed successfully. Now first what I am going to do is here, I am not going to work with any database here. So first what I am going to do is here, first I am going to go to the view page. So how to access the view page? Go to the resources, views. Here I am going to, first I am going to create the page as new page I am going to create as layout. I am going to create layout dot blade .php. This is the page I am going to create, right? So here I am going to make the design, right? Very simple here. Blade.php, what is the meaning by this is, here when you run the application, only this, all the things should be same. Only change is this content only change. That's the meaning of this one, right? So here I stop it, that's why it's not work. Okay, only this work, only this content part only work, change it, right? Others are same. Okay, this all the stuff I have to made it in the layout page, right? So here layout. So here first I am going to go to this design, right? This is the design. Okay, I have got it this design. So let's copy this one. Try yourself. That's very easy stuff. I just copy all the stuff. Let's change the one. Control C to copy. Back to our website. This one. Sorry. Back to my VS Code here. This is a VS Code. That's my code. This one. This right. I paste the code. Here all the bootstrap links, all the things are there. Here inside the add tag, all the styles are there, like of that CSS styles of that website. So here I only need the this header stuff only, these things only, right? This menu structure and this header of the page only we needed. So let's what I did here is, let's back here. Right now I no need this one, I just remove the stuff over here, footer and all the stuff I have to remove it. Okay, I need only this one here, home. This one I have to make the second link as about us, this one as contact us. Right, this is the thing we have to do. Right now what I am going to do is, here I already done the stuff. Here this is a container, this is a container. After the new tag we have to create a container here. This one we have all the common here, this one, right here. This all the pages are we coming this new tag, all the pages. Here this the container only change, right? So this container here, this one I already made this one. Control C to copy this one. I just copy this one and paste it over here. Wait, I will explain it. So instead of writing it take too much of time, so that I have to Control C. This all the stuff I paste it here. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. Okay. Now here what I did here is, we have to make the link over like this, right? So okay, first I have made the home link. This is when you click the home link, it goes to the page. href URL, you have to write like the URL index. You just write index. Okay, index only, index, say home. After that you have to write the second one is about us. Here this you have to write two brackets, after that close two brackets. Inside here which page you are calling, about us, you have to about us. This one should be the contact us, right? This is the thing we have to do, right? First, okay, this is the first page, a layout page. Sorry, this is a layout page. First one should be the layout page. Okay, this is a layout page. You have to do this things, right? It's a very simple one. Okay, now first what I am going to do is, here after that I am going to create the index page. So select the views folder, new index dot blade dot php. This is how we have create the Laravel, right? 8. Okay, so let's do here the things. Here what I did here is, go to the index page, I paste it here. I explain it, don't worry about that. Right, first what I did here is assign extend layout. Layout mean this is the layout, what is a file you have to extend here, layout, right? Okay, what the layouts are there, it's coming the page, right? Layout, right? Layout. Okay, you have to name the layout here. After that, section content, that is a content. Here all the content should be, this all the contents, it's coming here, this content you have to put the section content. This content should be, this all the content should be go to this here, right? So here you have to write like this. Okay, this section content, right? This is the content. Okay, finally what is the content you have to write? This simple content I have to put it here. Okay, here I have call it one images, right? See, this one should be, I am going to write this here, index welcome. Instead of welcome here, welcome, you have to put it here, welcome. Okay, very simple. Here is the extend layout. This is what is the design you have made. You have only all the design. This I simply I have made design. What is the design? You have a big website. You have to all the bootstrap, all the part you have to put it here. It's work. It should work, right? So here I have put it one images here. How to call the images? Images asset and images, right? Like this, right? So how to put the images over here is, so here I have to, this is the public folder. Go to the public folder. Right click. You have to make the new folder. You have to follow this one, images. right. Images, you have to put the images, what the image is unique, right? So I have to write here, I have to go to here. Here what I am going to do is simply save the file, all the file you have to save it, go to the our F drive. My project is what is today project I have created. This is a project I have created as LMS, right? This is LMS, right? LMS project. Go to the resources. Inside the resources, public folder. We have an images folder I have created, right? Images also you have to create it in the public folder. Okay, keep your mind. Bootstrap all the files you have put into the public folder. If you have a styles, fields, all the stuff, right? So I have a images. Okay, I have images. The same images I am getting this link, right? Just copy these images, same images. I have to put into my new project LMS scroll public images. This folder I have pasted it. If you paste, you can come here and check it is coming. It came here. It came successfully. Your pages will be came successfully here if you post it. Okay. Now I have wrote the code here. Image src the source. You have to write the image whatever. You have to write assets as a keyword. Assets, double quoting assets, images. Inside the images folder, you have this file called lake.jpg. Okay, what are the extensions you must give? Then only it will work. Right, this is simple code. After that, I have to put into the height and width of the image. You have to give height and width of the images. After that, I have to give the simple style for float. Okay, I just give the simple style here. Okay, the simple stuff I have did here. Here I am going to write some things text, right? Welcome. I just write like this. You can write anything you want, right? The simple stuff. Okay, I just save it. Save all. You have to put save all the stuff, right? Then only all the pages will be saved. Let's back to our layout blade.php. This one. Here I have to. This is the first design. I have designed this is the layout. This is a header, right? When the page is loaded, it's coming my first bootstrap page like this. Instead of that, I have to give some name of the page. So LMS web design. I use Laravel, like this. Okay. Here I have to write in the paragraph learning web apps, something like that. Okay, something like that. You have to put it. Save all. Very simple way. This is a simple way you have to write like this. Laravel, simple way. Okay. Now what I am going to do is here. Let's go to the blade. Right. All the stuff are saved. Right. Now this all the stuff are right. Now index.blade, right. Now we have designed the two pages, right? Here layout.blade and index.blade page, right? We have successful blade, this one, right? At the end you have to stop this one, right? I think you understood so far. Very simple one. How to copy the images and put into public folder I explained, right? Now I am going to go to create the controller, right? When you click the link, it is calling to the controller, right? Layout. When the page is executed, it's coming to the index.page is loaded. So how to load it? We have to call the controller. Okay, so how to call the controller is we have to first we have to create a controller. This is simple code we have to use to LMS. This is the controller name I am going to write. PHP partition make controller LMS. This is how we have to create a controller. Control C to copy. Right. Go to you have to terminal. Go to the terminal. LMS. Inside LMS we have a CD. What's the project name? LMS scoop. Right. Here we have to paste it. Press enter key. Your controller has been created. Now you can go here. Where the controller you can find it inside the app folder HTTP. Inside the controller folder LMS controller. This is a controller, right? This is a blank controller. Now here what I am going to say, we have to create the action methods, right? Very simple to create the action methods. So I have already done those stuff, so I no need to done again by again. I just copy this one, the simple 3 controllers, this one, Control C copy or paste it, right. You have to explain it, right. First you have to create as public function index. This is index controller. When the page is run here, index dot, it's calling the controller, it will return to the action method index, then only it will work, right. So okay, this one we have to I will explain later on. So this one we have to explain, right. Now it won't work if you are called only this one. Okay, you have to make another important stuff is you have to route. This is important stuff. You have to make the directory. Okay, which directory? Okay, so you have to go inside the route folder, web php, right. Here we have to call the files. So I already done the stuff. This Control C copy, Control V paste, right. In Laravel 8 you have to write like this class, right. So index page, which page? Index page called. Your index page is reside on inside the app folder. You have to specify here app folder. Inside the app folder http, here http app folder http. After the controller, inside the controller you have a controller which name is LMS controller. Inside the LMS controller you have a action method called index. Okay, when the page is started, this is the starting. Okay, when the page is started, it's loaded the index. And this is how we have to load the index page, right. So let's save all. Let's run the page and check out how the page look like, right. So you have to open the terminal, cd lms school. So folder lms school here, right. Now here php artisan, right. Okay, now it's running. This is the port which we are running. Now let's copy this port back here. This is a previously created page, present key. Here it's working, LMS web design Laravel. Here it's working successfully. Now you can understand that how the page is work. Now if you go to the about us, I didn't create anything else, that's why it won't work, right. Okay, it's working successfully. Web page name, website name, we didn't change it. How to change it? Go to the layout blade. Here is there, you can change website name, right. What is the name you can give? You can give whatever name. I'll give LMS web, right. If you save, you can go and refresh it, it will be changed, right. Simple. Now I am going to go to make the pages, these 2 pages, about us and context us. It's very simple. Go to the view page, the same thing, new, first about us. Otherwise you can give about it enough. I just give about us dot blade dot php. After that you have to create another pages, one more pages, contact us. So contact us dot blade dot php, right. Okay, now what I am going to do is here you have to make separate 2 pages, about us as well as a contact us. About us, what I am going to do is here the same thing what I did here in my previous project. About us, okay, the same thing. Here I just write only the thing. In my index page I have written here the same thing. What is the content you include, you have to put it. Here I have include only this h1 tag, only put the name about us. This page is about us. Other things are the same. It's extended layout, mean this layout I am going to extend here. The layout and content here, right. So the same thing I just copy, put into my page, about us page, right. The same thing we have to put it a contact us as well. Okay, this is the thing. This one we have to change it as a contact us. Contact us, very simple. Okay, very simple. This is the thing we have to. Right? Contact us. If you have a form, if you have designed the form, you have to call it here. Your form design, you have to call it here. Then it will come, right? Okay, this is the thing we have to do. After that, how to give the link for these 2, right? So when the user click on the link, this particular link about us, what happen is it's calling to about us here. It goes to the controller, about us controller. It should be there here. LMS about us controller, right? So here we have to set the path. How to set the path? Go to the route.php. Okay, if you not set, it won't work, right? Okay, you have to set the path over here. This is about us path, right? You have to put it here, right? Here we have to write about us. This you have to give the name about us. This is about same name you have to give, then only it will be work. Otherwise it complicated. About us, the same name. Your controller is reside on app HTTP controller LMS controller. This LMS controller. Inside the LMS controller we have a action method called about us, the same name, otherwise it won't work. If you give the different name, if you give the here we have to change as a capital, it won't work, right? The same name you have to give, then only work. Okay, the same thing you have to do here as contact as well. When the user click on the context page, it goes to the where it goes to the controller, LMS controller context index action method. It's returned into the view. Which view? This contact us view, right? So here we have to make the route. So route how to make, go to the web. The web, this also I have to make it here. The same thing. In Laravel 8 you have to call like this. Okay, Laravel 8 you have to call it like the same thing. Okay, this contact us. Okay, here SMS controller contact us page. This is a simple one you have to do. Let's save all. You have to make save all, right? If you give only save, if you might be change with 2 or 3 pages, it won't change, right? So when you change, instead of save, you have to give as change save all. Okay, it should be perfect, right? Now let's check whether it's working fine or not. Now let's refresh it. Go to this about us. Now you are going to about us page. If you click contact us, what is wrong with the contact us? PPP. Right, the problem is here. Contact us, I haven't changed this controller. Control C to copy, Control V to paste here. Right. You have to save. Okay. When you get the error, you must read the error. Here, Kagat control, the controller does not exist. If you must read the error. If you read the error only, you will be able to get the solution and solve the error yourself, right? Otherwise, you have to doubt, you have to comment it. It's nothing happen, right? Here it's work. Okay. When you get the error, but the error you must read. Here it's working. Index also it won't work. Why the index is not working here? What is the problem? The problem is here I didn't only give here when the page is executed only this here we have to call like this. Okay. Now here I am going to give the same thing, copy and paste it here. The same thing, Control C to copy and Control V to paste over here. Then it should work. When the user, what happen is when the user click the about us page, okay, it goes to the index action method. Index action method. So here index action method should be there. Okay, it's returning, but here route file, it is observing the route file. It is not there. Only this one should be there. So that it couldn't identify. So that we have to put it like this. It is easily identified. Right? When the page is loaded only, it is calling like this. After that, if you go to the about us and contact us and again you click the index page, here this method should work. This route should be work. When the page is loaded, this route should work. After when you visiting this page and this page, after clicking the you have to click the link on the about us page index link. So it goes to this link, right? This is how it's work. Now let's save all. Now it's go here. Now it's work, right? Now here contact us, it's work, right? I hope you guys you understood the things well. If you have any doubt on this, you can ask me anytime. If you like my Laravel web design tutorial, please subscribe me, like me. Thank you for watching.